Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use EN-508 for online operation. First, connect the controller, light and PC. Connect the PC to the IN port of EN-508. Then connect the output port to the light fixture. Next, we operate in Seekway LED Player. We create a new project. Set up the hardware. Select the PC as the host. EN-508 as the slave. Select the chip, channel order, etc. Create a new wiring. Set up and select the network card. The specific settings of the network card are as follows. You can open the advanced settings option in the network. Select Ethernet IPv4, set in its properties. Add effects. We can start online operation. Click an effect. Click play. We can see the corresponding effect of the light fixture. Let's try a few more effects. The above is all about online operation using EN-508. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.